This is a different kind of mass migration. Dozens of air mattresses set up for a movie night were blown away by strong winds across a park outside Denver. As you can see the mattresses tumbling across the grass, several people are seen chasing after the mattresses trying to catch them. Reportedly, the mattresses had been set for the 4-night Bed Cinema, which is an outdoor event that ran from Thursday to Sunday. The National Weather Service's Boulder office had advised on Twitter that isolated thunderstorms were reported in the area, bringing gusty winds up to 50 meters per hour.